Okay, so now we will start modeling our monster vampire head in Blender. For that, we're going to take the most important step, which will be modeling the shape of the head. And for that, we're going to use our base cube. This is the cube that opens when you open a new document in Blender. So we will use this cube. With this cube selected, if it's not selected, right click on the cube and you will see this orange border on the cube. That means it is selected. Now that it is selected, I'll press Tab. Okay, this is edit mode. This means we can edit the content of the cube. So with all of our faces selected, if they are not selected, press A and then press A again and they will be selected. I'm going to press Ctrl B and then I'm going to move my mouse, and as you can see, we are beveling the edges of the cube. We're going to bevel them like until there, up to there, and then I'm going to scroll my mouse wheel 2 times. Why am I doing 2 times? Because as you can see, I'm going to bevel, and I could really bevel a lot, but this will complicate our geometry, and we want the simplest geometry because we're going to use that geometry to apply the texture of our vampire face. So I'm going to press Command Z, I'm going to press Ctrl B again, I'm going to drag my mouse and I'm going to scroll the wheel 2 times and left click to confirm my selection. Now as you can see, we have a cube with rounded corners. I'm going to click on Smooth so it will look better. And now we have taken the first step into creating our vampire head.